Untitled family, today I'm riding with the blazer jacket and we're going to look at the main features of this jacket so you get to know it a little bit better. This jacket has no insulation, so it's very lightweight. You can feel super free while riding. This jacket has 15K of waterproofing and breathability, so it would keep you super dry in any scenario. And also it has an eco-friendly DVR coating, which means that if water gets onto the jacket, it would just become a pearl and fall off. And now we're going to review all the features of the jacket. I want to start from the top, from the beautiful hood. We can see this big and cozy hood. You can adjust it with the drawstrings. There's fleece on the inside to make it way more comfortable. So now let's move on to the pockets. Right here, there's a big front pocket. You can access from both sides with a zipper. Really big and really comfortable. And here where it says dope, you can open this Velcro, open the zipper, and you can find a big space. You can store anything you want with an additional pocket. This is where I usually put my phone. And this little thing you see over here is the cord outlet. Just drag your headphones through and you can have music all day. And of course, we have a pocket for the ski pass. Don't worry if you ever get warm. There's an easy solution. This is called the ventilation zippers. You can find them on both sides. There's snow stops on your wrist so you never get snow inside your sleeve. All right, my friends, I think it's time to ride. I hope this video was useful for you and peace out.